I still remember when I was, I think 4 or 5. You know, normally kids go out and then play, you know, around in a playground. But we are like more like stay and then use a pen and color pens and then just when we are kids, always drawing together. When I came to New Zealand, I was like 5 years. I was doing graphic design and painting. But after 5 years, I couldn't do it. Like I feel like not creating anything positive energy. I cannot feel. I just like pushing myself to do it. So my art is more pop art, like more colorful. This is skateboard. Osaka has traditional food, which is takoyaki, which is octopus ball, Mount Fuji, and this is a New Zealand icons, which is tiki. For the digital artworks, I use the iPad. For example, I create for the sticker design, t-shirts design, and for the original artwork or paintings, I use Resene paint because they have the range of many colors and they're so smooth and a good quality, and like Resene paint is really suits my colorful artworks. So I use a lot of vibrant colors because it makes me happy. Main thing is make sure the positive, and then our mindset is key to create, colorful artwork. Already I have color on the rough sketch, so I know what color to get, and I go to the website, Resene website. I make the color list, and then I go there and I pick the color, and the staff helps me, really friendly.
So you can see they have a match.
I always get the test board. Now you can see there's a window, and you can see the colors. So being an artist is really unique and interesting, and it gives me the really good opportunity to meet a lot of people. I collaborate with Red Bull, Skinnies, and then recently I did big table paint for the Koreans video. The table they are using in the meeting room. Like it's a big table, it's 4 meters and then 1.9 meters. They want it because they have the clients in the overseas, so the clients can see the table. This building used to be the bacon factory. So I put a pig and a bacon icon, and then also New Zealand's icons like tiki or tui bird, which is my favorite traditional bird in New Zealand. Life is a limited time, right? There's not like forever. I want to meet people. Through my artworks, I want to meet people, and I can see the people's face happy. That keeps me going. Yes.